Hi everyone. Today, January 28th, Tuesday, Georgi called to me and he said come immediately to his apartment because he have problem with apartment and owner of apartment want to kick off his from apartment this month already January, but he said he paid until February 14 and his contract 1 year, but owner of apartment won't kick off until this month, until 30 January. I'm already in Georgi apartment and he want to prepare all things now. We already find another apartment for Georgi. Georgi will explain what happened later, but now you see we need to move him to another apartment. Another apartment not in Angeles City. Why not in Angeles City? Georgi will say. I already know problem. Really is. It's big problem for him. He been already in hospital today. He will explain later. So he prepare all his things and need to faster. So don't have time. Maybe many times need to go to this place and take. So need to remove this one. He bought only 3 months ago, new. He bought new. He installed also water heater. So many fix here before. Install internet also. Contract have. And now he need to move immediately to another place, not in Angeles City. First we take here, aircon, and many times we need to come back with Georgi to old apartment. We already moved some things to another new apartment. Georgi already take contract and he will live in Mabalakat. It's good place, silent, and he like walk. He can walk to walking street, just only different way. You know, from Mabalakat to Angeles, it's not so far. That's why Georgi said it's better live in far from the walking street. He can walk. Georgi new apartment. No size bigger than before. I think it's okay. And now Shaira called to me. She said have fever and I need to come back to home. I don't know what happened with you. So I don't know, many problem. Need to send Shaira to doctor and come back. Need again to Georgi and need to transfer him from old apartment to new apartment. So traffic right now in this road because it's 5 p.m. Georgi cannot filming today because you know Georgi need to move to another apartment. Oh, today checkpoint here. It's usually checkpoint only evening because 5 p.m. many people go from the work and heavy traffic. But why today checkpoint, I don't know. Maybe some happen, I don't know. Already we take all things from apartment. We remove aircon. Georgi live in apartment. Georgi, how long time you stay here before? Three months only? 2 months? Contract 1 year and pay until middle of February. But smell not good here. Georgi will explain. Already removed all? Yes, he already removed all. Okay, tomorrow we will come back and if you want clean. It's already third time. 3 times I already sent his things from this apartment to new apartment. We already transferred all Georgi things and he will sleep already in new place. Tomorrow workers will install aircon. No, this one aircon, another big aircon. And here contract for 6 months, 12,000 peso. This is room little bit bigger than old room. We have today February 6th and Georgi going to the another already province. He cannot stay in the, even in Mabalacat he cannot stay. In Angeles cannot stay, in Mabalacat he cannot stay. I sent him to Alangapo city. It's 1 hour from Mabalacat or from Angeles city. Already his clothes, he take not all. Georgi. Hi Georgi, are you okay? Not, I know. You not sleep already many days. Good. So we're going to Alangapo right now. We already in Alangapo. Georgi now will stay in Subic in Alangapo. Kong's Hotel. Kong's Hotel. We will go to and show to you hotel room. How much on Kong's Hotel? Georgi will show now his room, Kong's Hotel. This is lobby, yes? Okay. 4 floor. Good for your room?
It's small, but if I can sleep here, it's good.
You cannot sleep in Angeles, you cannot sleep in Mabalacat. Wi-Fi.
What happened?
I don't know. Again.
Okay, let's go.
But room number I not known. Say yao yao. Yes. not good in Chinese language.
It's not working your...
Not working.
Yeah.
You see?
Because
Red, red.
just put inside.
Okay, and another one.
Yeah,
What?
if you go outside, just assist the housekeeping.
Every time when I go and come back, why?
Because it's not working outside.
Which way? You like it?
Maybe
Oh.
another room maybe
Give me
have
another room.
working.
I cannot go. If I ask every time when I come back, no, it's not like that.
Okay, can I see
No,
room?
give me another room. I don't want this.
Don't have window.
Give me a room where I can open by myself. Not asking. Oh, this? What? Wait. Yes. But another. Okay. One. Oh,
Okay, very close me. Open. Okay, put cards here.
what?
It's working.
Yes, work. Okay.
Working good.
Your key light.
So you have 2K now. Okay.
This not work. Another one.
Heater have.
Yes, this not work. Only this work.
You use 2K only, not problem, Georgi.
Yes,
Okay.
this work.
You can use only 1K.
Yes. I don't
Ah, what is this?
This spray.
Spray for you?
For me, yes.
I think it's already well here have.
Oh, it's you see how many sprays I have? 88. So I use only 34 times.
But it's okay, good room for you. How much, Georgi? This
It
room.
was one. Okay, how much I pay? $177, 7 nights.
7 night. You will stay here 7 night.
No, I think more. We
More?
Extend.
You maybe you.
Maybe another place. I don't know. Now only 1 week, but extend later.
Okay, in the new video I will explain why you leave Pampanga. Angeles, you cannot stay in Mabalacat. So you can explain to our subscriber, because some of people worry about you, what happened, why you move.